Hey, what's up, guys? Sunny slash rainy day in Honolulu, Hawaii. Let's check it out outside. Yeah, I'm at my sister's place. It's a beautiful view here. So, yeah, today or right now, I was just gonna walk around the neighborhood. I haven't actually checked it out yet, so we'll be exploring it together. Alright. I'm pretty much ready to go, so I'll see you guys when I'm outside. Yeah, it's an awesome view right here. It's like she lives in this valley between two mountains. So it gets like pretty windy. I've been here, this is my third day here, second full day. And it's been raining a lot, but it's pretty sunny right now. Clouds aren't too thick either. Nice. Yeah, my jet lag still hasn't regulated yet. Just took like a 3-hour nap. Had to like force myself to wake up so I could sleep tonight. I have to go to a field trip with my niece tomorrow. I gotta make sure I get enough sleep tonight. So yeah, the prices here are pretty ridiculous from what I saw. Or actually, I was surprised at the gas prices that they weren't higher. I think it was like 4 something a gallon. I don't know why I was expecting it to be like $20 a gallon or something. Yeah, I had an acai bowl that was like 15 bucks yesterday. You get like 6 meals in Thailand for that kind of money. And, I'm sure the prices are higher because most of the stuff is imported, but I also heard that pineapples are also expensive here, even though they grow here. So I don't know. I think in general Hawaii is just a more expensive place. My brother-in-law also told me that it could be cheaper to import your car from another state rather than just buying it directly here because of kind of taxes, I think. That was pretty crazy to me. Man, the weather is beautiful right now. It's like warm with a nice breeze and no rain. It's been raining every single day. And so many of these houses have a beware of dog signs. I haven't seen any dogs yet, but I'm afraid like one's gonna just pop out and start barking like crazy. Gotta check if this is the street I'm supposed to turn on. No, not yet. Man, every street here starts with like a K or a L or a P. They all sound very similar to me, these Hawaiian street names. Just gotta read the street names real carefully before I get lost. But yeah, I haven't been back in America for over a year. I haven't been back to Hawaii in like, I think the last time, or the last and only time I was here was like 20 years ago. Shit's so crazy. It's crazy I'm old enough to say I did something 20 years ago as an adult. I'm like almost 40 now. Time seems to fly by faster and faster as I get older. But yeah, it feels nice to be back in America. And I've seen like so many different kinds of new birds here that I've never seen before. Or I saw them like a really long time ago. And I just don't remember. But those birds are pretty beautiful. It's quite nice here. It's nice here, but pretty much like any kind of food shop, restaurant is at least a 45-minute walk from my sister's house. So that's kind of inconvenient. But I was checking Uber Eats earlier and it was like cheaper than I thought. The food prices are expensive, but the delivery fees aren't too bad actually. I think this is the street where I'm supposed to turn. Let's see. Man, it gets super windy here. I'll be paranoid about these electrical lines. Okay, I don't think this is a street. Yeah, you can see everything starts with a K or a P. I don't know if you guys can see the street sign. Or an L. Looks like a high school. Oh, no, it's not a school, it's a recreation center. But there's like school buses here. Maybe next door is the school. Well, there's a swimming pool right there. Nice. Actually, I just realized it's been a really long time since I walked down a basically empty street. I passed by one guy earlier. Yeah, I've just been in like busy, super busy cities for a long while. It feels nice. I feel like I have the whole sidewalk to myself. I've been in cities with like basically no sidewalks, so this feels pretty nice. This guy got a big old weed leaf thing on his car. Actually, this whole time I thought weed was legal here, but found out it's only for medical use. It's still not legal for recreational use. It's probably like how California used to be before they legalized recreational. But yeah, gas price is $4.72. Not as expensive as I thought. Oh, there's like a mart here. It's cool. I guess that isn't too far of a walk. And a taco place. I don't know, my sister told me the tacos suck here, so probably just wait until I get to LA. And there's way less wind at the bottom of the hill. It's starting to heat up. So yeah, these trash cans, so it gets pretty windy up the hill. And like almost whenever I look out the window, these trash cans are just sliding down the streets. I can like hear it just scraping the street. I wonder how they deal with that. Here's the street turning on. More streets named with starting with the letter P. I gotta keep checking Google Maps to see if I'm turning on the right street. Street names sound too alike. Here comes the uphill slog. This part's probably more difficult than the downhill. It's all good, I need to exercise. I've been out of shape. I haven't done jiu-jitsu in like a month. Or 4 weeks at least. And these buildings right here look like the projects. I wonder if these are subsidized housing. I saw some chicken running around back there too. It reminded me of walking around South Central. See all these like farm animals roaming the streets. I remember seeing a couple horses over there too in South Central LA. It surprised the crap out of me. It's like horses walking around like a regular city street. Okay, here goes another P. Our street name that starts with P. Looks like it's raining over there. Dark clouds. This breeze feels nice though in the hot sun. It's starting to rain a little bit, but feels really nice. I am not complaining. Alright, yeah, my sister's place is just up that hill. Should be back in a bit.